I spent days digging through thousands of listings on Etsy to find the absolute best products that you can 3D print and sell. Now, I've got a list of 10 hot items, ranked by how much they've already made in revenue. Stick around until the end, and I've got free files you can start selling right away. Let's jump in. The first product is this piggy bank. It's a fun gift idea for dart players and made almost $300 for one seller. You can customize it to make it more personal, and if you find the right audience, it could sell really well. Next up are these brick-style letters, which have made close to $2,000 so far. They're a great addition to any kid's room and super popular. That said, the market seems a bit saturated. I've seen them in a lot of stores. It's a solid product with proven demand, but I'd skip Etsy and try selling them locally, or on other marketplaces instead. The next one is one of my personal favorites, because it has so much potential. It's a simple design for storing guitar picks, and this particular model has made over $3,500. I have seen similar designs with equally impressive results. Instead of selling this exact product, try creating your own variations. You can use AI tools to generate unique shapes or heads, then add cutouts for the picks. I personally use Meshy.ai to come up with simple, organic designs. This next product might seem a bit boring, but that hasn't stopped it from making over $15,000 in the last 2 years. It's a simple storage solution for old Nintendo 64 games. Just a heads up, avoid using the Nintendo logo to steer clear of copyright issues. With a little creativity, I'm sure you can come up with a more interesting design and still make a solid profit. Etsy customers love custom products, and 3D printing is perfect for that. A simple sign like this has generated over $18,000 in sales. Shipping can get pricey for larger signs, but even so, I've seen plenty of custom signs doing really well. The key? Keep it simple. This one's a winner because it targets a specific audience, making it a perfect gift for football fans. It's a snack bowl that's pulled in over $20,000 in sales. What's even more impressive, the shop is based in Germany, where American football isn't nearly as popular. If you market this in the US, you could tap into a much bigger audience. Think vinyl records are outdated? Think again. People still love buying them, especially to display in their rooms. And this niche isn't just about one design. There are tons of sellers with similar styles, but those don't usually perform well. Creative and original designs are what really stand out. Try designing something for a specific genre to make it more unique. Even this simple design managed to pull in nearly $30,000. This design shows that you don't need to be a 3D modeling expert to create a successful product. It's made over $40,000 in the past 2 years. With a bit of practice, anyone can create their own variation of this. I think what really makes it work is the thought behind the product. It resonates with people. Plus, the seller nailed it with great product photos. Here's another great planter from the same store. Once again, it's a simple design that anyone could create. This one has made over $100,000 and continues to sell well. The best part? You don't even need a multicolor 3D printer. These parts are just painted with acrylic. People love cute cat designs, and honestly, who can resist a planter that looks like it's straight out of a cat lover's dream? Now, let's talk about the most profitable product I've found. Drumroll, please. And that's it. It's simple, and honestly, you don't need to be a rocket scientist to make this design. This product is perfect for 3D printing and Etsy. It's customizable, which sets it apart from regular headphone holders and makes a great gift. Plus, it solves a real problem. People need a place to store their headphones. Most importantly, there's clear demand for it. Every month, over 7,000 people search for headphone holders on Etsy, so there's a steady stream of potential orders just from the search. Bonus: I've put together a collection of free STL files that you can download and sell, absolutely free. For example, you can grab this vinyl record holder and start selling it anywhere you like. Just check the link in the description to access the files. Thanks for watching.